Okay, so one way to continue to be wealthy and healthy is to keep your tires at the right pressure. As much as possible, check it at least once a week to make sure that your tires pressure are correct or according to standard of your car or truck. The reason it gives health and wealth is because the tires last longer when they are at the right pressure all the time, so you will be saving more. Also, it will be causing less accidents since your tires are always at the right pressure, and so that also gives us health. So what I do is I just use this automatic tire pump. I bought this very cheap in one of the online stores like Shopee, and it's automatic. Like right now it says the tire pressure is 30. It has to be 32, so what I did was to just program it like that to 32, and once it's finished it will show the current tire pressure because it's already connected. So I'll just turn it on. And it's done. It automatically stops. There's no tiredness. I don't get tired keeping my tire pressure at the right pressure with this gadget. So you get another plus with your health and also with your wealth. Plus this tire pressure pump is only very low priced, so it would be good to get one of these so that you can keep your tires pressure always at the right level. Again, that's a tip for today to keep our health and wealth as middle-aged fathers or after middle-aged fathers like me. See you in the next one.